Hi, my name is Mark. It's Sunday, June 7th, 2020. Just an update on my outdoor hydroponic system. Things are going extremely well. You can see this lettuce right here. I'm going to have to actually start eating it. Look at these roots. I can't even hold it far away enough to get the shot. That's crazy. Very delicious too. We've been eating it. I've been eating my indoor aquaponic lettuce. I've got basil, parsley, peppers, cucumbers. Everything's thriving. Everything's doing good. The heat, I got a little tarp, a little sunscreen. I'll show you in a second. 40% sunscreen that holds it up. Today, I'm moving a lot of this stuff from my ebb and flow bed into my garden, which is right over here. My father's coming over to help me kind of lay it out the right way. Here comes my daughter for a cameo. Say hi, Emily.
Hi.
So I've got 4 cucumbers right here I'm going to move. I'm not sure if I'm going to move these tomatoes, these 3 big tomatoes yet. I kind of like them there, but I'm going to ask my dad what he thinks. I got 3 pepper plants right here. They're definitely going to go into the garden. It's going to clear up a lot of space for my parsley, which doesn't do that well in the NFT. I don't think it can hold itself up. So I think once I move this into the bed, once I got more space, I think it's going to do very well. These 2 cracky tomatoes are going to go in the ground. And I'll take you upstairs. I got a squash plant too, I forgot about. Here's my cracky cherry tomatoes. Same thing, doing great. Look at those roots. Roots from the newts. And these are my pride and joy. My 4 Dutch bucket beefsteak tomatoes, and they're doing awesome. They're just got no complaints. They're maintenance free, doing good. Oh, here's that mesh that I use for a screen. It works pretty good. I'm trying to build a frame or something for it. It only takes out 40% of the sun, which is perfect, and it's really just for the like noon to 3 blazing sun, and it just. The real thing is my lettuce. My lettuce just gets hurt. My daughter's crying. I gotta help her out. She's trying to get her Hot Wheel out of the shed. But yeah, here's my squash. That's going in my garden. So once I get it all set up, I'll update my garden. Thank you. Bye.